Hi, it's Robert from Theme Park Insider, and welcome back to Social Distancing Kitchen, where we're bringing the theme park magic to your home, even when the parks are closed. We're teaching you how to make some of your favorite theme park food right there in your own kitchen at home, and today we're starting with another favorite from Disney. This one is Tonga Toast from the Kona Cafe at Disney's Polynesian Resort at Walt Disney World. This is another really simple recipe. Definitely you can get the kids to help with this one, but we're going to have some frying involved again, and once again, that's for adults only. So again, we're starting out mise en place with all of our stuff right here, measured out, ready to go. We've got a couple of bananas that we're going to slice up. Got a cup of sugar, a couple teaspoons of cinnamon, and I've got a nice sourdough loaf. That's going to make our toast right there, and then we're going to stuff it and fry it. So just to start off with, we're going to make our cinnamon sugar. Dumping our sugar in there, and then our cinnamon. And I'm just going to mash that up with a fork to get a nice consistency on that. So we've got a nice, good cinnamon sugar ready for us. That's going to coat our Tonga toast once we've got it cooked up. So let me go, and I'm putting it all over the table here just because I am a complete slob, but that means I'll have to clean it up later. So, got that ready right there. Next thing we're doing, we're going to cut up our bananas. Simple, 2 cuts. I'm going to cut them in the middle that way, and then just lengthwise. So we're going to have 8 banana pieces to work with here. And so we've got enough for 4 pieces of toast. Each one is going to take 2 there. So the next thing we're going to do is slice up our bread. It's just a basic sourdough loaf I got at the grocery store. You want to make sure it's unsliced because you're going to need to do your own pretty thick slices here. So I'm just going to take off part of the edge. There, I want at least a couple inches on this. So here we've got a couple inches in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to stuff this. So I need to create a little pocket in here that I'm going to use. Don't want to cut all the way through, but just a little pocket that I'm going to stick this banana into. And this is the point that if we were on the Great British Baking Show, the host does the side eye, just like, whatever, but we're putting the bananas into the bread at this point. So we're just shoving those in there. And this is going to be our Tonga toast in just a minute, because we're going to get our oil heated up here to 350 degrees. Don't want to go too much over that because we don't want to burn it, but we definitely don't want it below because we need this to crisp up pretty quickly, and then we're going to coat it in our cinnamon sugar. So just a minute here. I'm going to have you meet me back there by the boiling oil, and we will continue with cooking our Tonga toast. Okay. We've got our Tonga toast, and we're going to drop it into the oil. There's no batter on this, unlike the Monte Cristo that we did before. We're just basically frying this thing up to get a nice golden brown. So here we go into the oil. And it's really going to be just about 1 minute on that side there, and then we're going to flip it and get the other one. Like I said, we're just trying to get this nicely golden brown. Again, this is a breakfast favorite at the Kona Cafe at Disney's Polynesian Resort at Walt Disney World. If you're not particularly familiar with, that's the one that's straight across the Seven Seas Lagoon from the Magic Kingdom. So I know a lot of people like the Ohana character breakfast there, but a lot of people like coming over to the Kona Cafe for the Tonga toast and all the other wonderful stuff that they have there. I'm just going to take a look now, see how we're doing on that. We're beginning to get nicely fried up. But this just gives us a nice warm consistency with the whole thing. Gets the bananas just a little bit gooey. And then we've got that wonderful cinnamon sugar coating that we're going to just roll in the whole thing. And then it can be served with a variety of sides. So let me get this thing flipping over here. And we'll get it going on the other side. And then just in a couple of minutes here, actually less than 2 minutes, more like 1, we'll have this all ready, and we're going to let it cool just a little bit, just so we can handle it. And then we're going to roll it in the cinnamon sugar, and then we'll be ready to serve. Okay, we've got the Tonga toast out of the boiling oil right now, and we're going to take it and put it into our cinnamon sugar. It's still a little warm. That's the way we want it. Get a nice coating on this. And now it's beginning to actually look like Tonga Toast, isn't it? Get that nice coating all over it. And scoop up a little, just dump it on there. Make sure that it's getting all coated nicely. Shake that off. Again, I wash hands a lot before I do this. And there we go. We have got one homemade slice of Tonga Toast. Now the recipe there, we've got enough that we could do 4 of these. I just wanted to show you the one. We can serve that with some maple syrup, some nice fruit syrup, just some fruit on the side. I like to get this with bacon or sausage when I order at the Conde Cafe. This is the basis right here. One of the favorite breakfast menu items from the Walt Disney World Resort. Theme Park Magic brought to your kitchen thanks to the social distancing kitchen here on themeparkinsider.com. So please just keep following us here at Theme Park Insider. Subscribe to us on the YouTube channel, and we'll keep bringing these videos out to you to bring some more theme park magic to you, even when the parks are closed. Thanks for watching.